So this is the situation, you can see all of you. This is 1r, this is 1r, this is 1r, this is 1r, right? So it becomes a phase diagonal. So it will be a 4r, right? And it will be a square under root of 2a square. I have shown you this, right? So in this case, if this is a, this is b, it will be under root of a square plus b square, right? Similarly, if we have in this case, we can see this is a, this is a. So it will be under root of a square plus a square. So a square plus a square becomes a 2a square. Now we will take the a out. 4r is equals to a under root 2. R is equals to a under root 2 by 4. So this is the value of a radius for the face cubic lattice, right? So are you able to understand? Okay, let's do it for the body centered. So what will be the situation in the body centered cubic lattice? For body centered, let's draw the cube once again. We know that the particle is present at the center of the body. At the center of the body, the particle is present, right? One particle is here, one particle is at this corner, and one particle is at the center. So this becomes the body diagonal. Are you able to identify it? See, this is a body diagonal, right? Sir, you can come little bit closer. See, this becomes a body diagonal, right? One particle here, one particle here, one particle in the middle of the body. So here we will also see what is the R. This is 1R. This is the center. This is 1R. This is 1R. And this is 1R. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many number of R's are there? 4R. Right? This is the length, edge length A. This is edge length A. This is also A. Right? So remember here in this case of a body centered cubic lattice, there we have to take into consideration the length, breadth as well as the height, right? As it is a body diagonal. So 4R is equals to body diagonal. Right? So 4R is equals to diagonal will be 4R is equals to under root of a square plus a square plus a square. So this becomes 4R is equals to under root of 3a square. When we take a common, 4R is equals to a under root 3. R is equals to a under root 3 by 4. So this is the value of a radius for the body centered cubic lattice, right? So I hope that you are understanding this calculation, that is the relation between A and R, right? Now based on this calculation of the R, we are going to calculate the packing efficiency. Okay, let's move forward and go for the packing efficiency. Let's understand the packing efficiency. So I told you what is the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is nothing but the total amount of a space occupied by the constituent particle is said to be the packing efficiency, right? So here I will write down the formula for the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is equal to volume of a particle divided by total volume of cube into 100, right? So this is a very simple formula. Volume of a particle divided by the volume of a cube. Now what is the volume of a particle? We all know the simple cubic lattice contains a one particle. Body centered contains a two particle. And face centered contains the 4 particles, right? we had calculated, right? हमने देखा था किसके केस में, लास्ट वीडियो के केस में कि simple cubic lattice contains 1 particle, body centered contains 2 particle, face centered contains 4 particle, or the 4 number of atoms, 2 number of atoms, or a 1 number of atom, right? Now let's understand this in a very lucid and a simple language. What is the packing efficiency? Now let's take the example. Let's say that you have one box, right? This is, let's say, a mango box, right? The capacity of this box is 24 mangoes. How many mangoes you can fill? 24 mangoes you can fill. But in this particular box, you had filled 12 mangoes, right? What was the capacity? The volume capacity was 24 mangoes. You had filled the 12 mangoes. So how many number of particles are there? 12 particles of mangoes are there. Divided, what is the volume of the particle? What is the volume of the particular box? It is 24, right? It will be 0.5 into 100, that is equals to 50%, right? So are you able to understand? This is a very simple example I have given you, right? The capacity was to fill 24 mangoes. Out of the 24 mangoes, only 12 mangoes were filled. That is why only the 50% of the space was occupied. The remaining space remains empty, right? So whatever this particular space which is occupied in the particular crystal, that is said to be the packing efficiency, right? Okay. Then we'll do the packing efficiency calculation now. Now in order to understand the packing efficiency, we need to understand that what is the volume of a particle, right? Now here the volume of a particle will be 1 particle for the simple, 2 particle for body and 4 particle for phase. But generally the volume of 1 particle is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Always remember, this is fixed. The volume of 1 particle is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then the total volume of cube. Total volume of cube. See, this is the total volume of cube. This is our formula. So what is the total volume of cube? A cube, right? So I hope that you have understood this. See, until and unless you understand this and this, you are not going to, or you will not be able to do the calculations for the packing efficiency, right? The volume of one particle is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the total volume of the cube is equals to a cube, right? Now depends. Now if you want to calculate the body centered, we need to just multiply it by 2. 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. If you want to calculate the packing efficiency of face centered, 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? So I hope that you have understood this. Now let's do the calculation one by one. For this simple we will take for simple the packing efficiency. So we will go according to the formula. What is the formula? Volume of a particle divided by the total volume of the cube. Now what is the volume of the particle in this case? Volume simple has only one particle. So 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube, right? Now we need to do the substitution. What is the value of a r? Simple की केस में value r का value क्या है? A by 2. Do you remember? I have just told you that the value of a r, that is radius, will be equals to 1 by 2 for the simple cubic lattice. So here 4 by 3 into the value of pi is 3.14 into r cube, right? So r cube means what? A by 2 cube divided by a cube, right? Are you understanding it? See, this is the value of r. We have put the value of r, so it becomes the a by 2 cube. Now a cube and a cube will get cancelled, right? As a cube and are getting cancelled, we can see it will be 1 by 2 cube, right? So this will be 1 by 2 cube. 1 by 2 cube is equals to 1 by 8, right? So here we can write the equation 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 1 by 8 into 100, that is equals to 50.36%. So this is the packing efficiency in the case of simple cubic lattice, right? I hope that you are understanding this. Okay. Now let's move further. Let's do the calculation. For the body centered, so what is the total number of particles present in the body centered? You all know how many number of particles? 2 particles are present. So let's do the calculation. For body centered, we have a 2 particles. So 4 by 3 pi r cube will be into 2. Why 2? Because we know body centered has 2 particles. So volume of one particle is 4 by 3 pi r cube, but the volume of 2 particle will be 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube, right? Now let's do the substitution again. 2 into 4 by 3 pi, the value of pi will be into 3.14. Now what is the value of r? The value of r is a under root 3 by 4. You remember it for body centered, right? It will be a under root 3 by 4. So into a under root 3 by 4 divided by a cube. This will be also a cube, right? So in this case, a cube and a cube will get cancelled, right? So here 2 into 4 by 3 into 3.14 into अभी अंडर रूट का भी क्यूब है. Are you understanding? Under root also has a cube. So it will be under root 3 into under root 3 into under root 3. Right? So this under root 3 into under root 3 becomes the 3 root 3. Right? Are you understanding? This becomes 3 and this under root 3. Right? I hope that you have understood it. Then divided by, we also have a cube of 4. So 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 16 into 4 64, right? That is equals to. So while calculating all this equation, you will get the 68% as the packing efficiency, right? I hope that you are understood this body centered packing efficiency. Okay, let's move further, and for the last one for today, that is the face centered. For the face centered, how many number of particles are there? Face centered, there are total number of particles are equal to 4, right? Now what will be the equation? 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? What is 4 by 3 pi r cube? Volume of one particle. But how many number of particles are there? 4 particles are there. So 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? So divided by a cube. Again we will do the substitution. 4 into 4 by 3. Value of pi will be 3.14. Now what is the value of r for the face centered? R is equals to a under root 2 by 4. This is the value. Right? R is equals to a under root 2 by 4. Then, so we will substitute this a under root 2 by 4 cube. Right? Now let's do the calculation. 4 into 4 by 3 into 3.14 divided by a cube. Now a cube will get cancelled. What is remaining? Under root 2 is remaining and 4 is remaining. So under root 2 का भी तो cube है. So under root 2 into under root 2 into under root 2, right? Under root 2 becomes 2 and this under root 2. I hope that you are understanding it. See, under root 2 into under root 2 is 2 and this under root 2, right? So it becomes a 2 root 2, right? So in this case, we also have a 4 divided by 4 into 4 into 4. इसका भी तो क्यूब है 4 का, so that becomes 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64 into 100, right? So इसको when you calculate all these things, all the equation, you will get the packing efficiency as 74%, right? So I hope that you have understood all the calculations for the packing efficiency, for the simple lattice, for the face centered lattice and for the body centered lattice. and I also hope that you have understood the calculation for the radius of the face centered, simple and the cubic, right? Okay, thank you very much for the day.